already see this turning out extremely horrible. Oh my G. I'm literally doing 100 million things right now. It's not even funny. Like, I'm cooking dinner. I'm prepping for another video for another channel. Then, for my other channel. Then, I decided to wash my hair and do this video for this channel. I think I really did this because I wanted to procrastinate. But yeah, so we're just gonna get started because y'all know I'm all for a long drawn out intro. But that's not what we need today. And yeah, y'all know anytime y'all see me with this on, I'm about to do my hair. I'm hoping that it turns out because no lie, y'all, I probably shouldn't have did this today. Well, it has to turn out because literally I have to be cute for my other videos. So yeah, let's just get into it. No lie, I'm actually slick filling my hair right now. I always feel my hair right when it comes right out of the curls. I mean, freshly washed and my natural curls are popping. But okay. I'm nervous, y'all. Okay. I'm gonna just keep saying okay. Cream of Nature argan oil. Y'all know I'm a whore for Cream of Nature. But the Cream of Nature argan oil from Morocco for naturals. And then their oh, I didn't even say what it was. Their Moisture and Shine Curl Activator cream or the Curl and Hold custard. I'm really procrastinating. Like, if y'all can hear it in my voice, I'm really like nervous and so yeah, it takes me a minute to really start some stuff when I'm nervous. So let's get started. I'm a side part girl, so we're definitely gonna do a side. Definitely gonna do a side. Don't come from my part. I don't know how to part. Besides, I don't know. Y'all see my curls curling at the front? Okay, so this should be straight, right? That should be good. No, I already see this turning out extremely horrible. Oh my G. Should we still do it? I can definitely turn around and do another style. Like, I can. We gonna do it? Okay. We gonna do it. Okay, so I have one section. Two. Y'all know I love sections. I section my hair because it's just easy to make sure that everything is evenly distributed. And also, why not? I'm actually gonna make this one full section because I don't need too many sections. Whew. Okay, what should we do first, y'all? I'm gonna moisturize first, so no, keep these. I'm nervous. Okay, so I'm about to moisturize real quick. Water, then this. So that's what we're about to go do. It's like I want to roll up my sleeves, but this sleeve's tight. Okay, I am done now for the fun part, braiding. Yes, I'm trying a braid out. I would do twists, but I don't really necessarily like twists because, well, at least for me at this moment with my hair, because I feel like braids stretch my hair, whereas twists keep it, like, you know. So I'm just gonna go in. I'm not making any even parts or anything. Just taking my sections. And just finger parting them. And then I'm using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Curl and Hold Custard, y'all. This thing stretches. Like, I don't know what's in it. I'm only using a little bit. But this thing keeps my hair stretched. And keeps my curls just, ooh. Like, yeah, y'all have to definitely try this, okay? and put a little bit more at the bottom. Okay, now I'm braiding slow. I literally was braiding fast while I was on my scalp, and now I'm tripping. Okay. So get to the bottom, I'm gonna add a little more of the curl custard, and twirl it. Bam. Let's do that to all of my sections, and we'll be back. Okay, no lie, I'm feeling myself. Like, these braids look good, but I'm about to let them air dry. I have to go finish cooking dinner, so I'll be back for the final results. We'll see if it works, hopefully. I might have to actually air dry it, and then after I cook, actually blow dry it, because my hair doesn't air dry. It takes like 3 days to completely dry, so it will definitely be some processed heat in there, but yeah, I'll be back. Y'all, it's literally like 3 days later. But so my hair has been braided. It actually dried, but I got the front wet washing my hair, and then I got the back wet washing my neck. So I'm about to run over it with the blow dryer real quick, and then we will get the show on the road, because I've been looking like this for a couple of days now. And I mean, I'm really not complaining, because I feel cute. I don't know why, but yeah, we about to be even cuter, hopefully, so bear with me. Okay, so y'all, I'm nervous, but we are completely dry. I'm about to use the Kenra moisturizing oil, absorbs instantly, lightweight hydrating oil, because my hair is already naturally very oily, so I definitely don't want to add like heavy oils on my hair. But yes, I'm about to take, okay, that was way too much, Shauna. It smells so good. I don't even know what it smells. No, hold on. I know the smell. I need to go to the hair store anyway, so I'm gonna go in there and literally smell everything, and then I'll let y'all know what the smell is, because I definitely know it. But okay, anyways, let me touch up these. Look, I'm really procrastinating. I'm scared, y'all. I'm super, super scared. But if it works, this is gonna be our go-to. I'm gonna start the back. Right? Isn't that backwards? Oh, it still feels wet. And put a little more oil. I'm scared. I put a little more oil on my fingertips. Okay. Don't be scared, Shawn. Don't be scared. This is meant to work out. This is meant to work out. Okay. I'm so mad my hair got wet. It was completely dry, and then today I just like literally put my whole head into the shower. You see, it looks fuzzy because it's not dry all the way. But it's not, yeah. I'm so mad the bottom is not dry. Okay, well this probably would have worked out if my hair dried all the way. I literally, how you wait 3-4 days and you still mess up? It looks like, don't say nothing yet, Shawn. Don't say nothing yet. Oh, I'm not even gonna take the front braids out because I'm about to style my hair, because I can already see this is gonna be a fail. This is definitely a fail. Wasting too much time when I'm hearing. Y'all hear me breathing? Okay, yeah, we're gonna just put everything up. I am so sad, y'all. It's because it got wet. I'm pretty convinced. Okay. I want to keep it puffed out. Nah, I want to bun it. Done with the messy bun. I don't know why this is curving this way. Oh my G. I didn't like the beads that I had. I definitely need to go get some more. But yeah, so I just put some water on the ends. That's why you see it curling each way. But put some waters. I put some water on the ends, and we're just gonna rock it like this. I'd be really debating if I should post videos like this, because it's like, who wants to watch a hair tuber who has like fail videos? But it's not even a fail necessarily, it's just a fail from what I originally wanted to do. And I want to show you guys that like stuff does not work out. Like everything is not perfect, everything does not come together, especially with natural hair. Natural hair is like the hardest, in my opinion, because I've done it all. But natural hair, in my opinion, is the hardest to manipulate and do because like it does what it wants to do. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so we turned the fail into something cute because I'm still cute. Like the hairstyle's still giving. So I mean, it's a win in my book. But yeah, this is just testimony to like not give up. If it does not work out, put it in a bun. If you cannot put it in a bun, figure it out. Like we're going to figure it out on this channel, because we are not going to be defeated by a bad hair day. I'm sorry. Like when your hair is messed up, like I swear it feels like the end of the world. Like you can have the prettiest clothes on, everything, but when your hair is not going the way you want it to, like it's okay to have a freaking breakdown. I'm surprised I didn't have a breakdown this time. But like, yeah, it is completely okay. It's okay, because it's not gonna work out every time. Honestly, it's probably not gonna work out most of the time with natural hair. So just be patient with yourself, be gentle, be nice to yourself, and just know we got this, okay? But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and I will be trying. Let me not lie. I don't think braid downs are for me. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like it's just not for me. So we probably not gonna try it again. But if I do, I will definitely bring it to the channel. And if it's a fail, it's just gonna be a fail. But we're gonna keep trying until we freaking persevere. Love you.